I'm looking at the Geekam Smart Security Doorbell camera. It's got a 1080p camera. Now, the difference with this one to other ones seems to be that it's got no onboard storage, but it offers lifetime cloud storage when you register it. So you've got no storage on it. That's the camera. Pull down. See, there's the batteries, 18650 batteries. Right, I'm going to have a read through the manual, and I shall make sure that's fully charged up. Have a read through the manual. I know you've got to download the app and register, so I shall download the app onto my phone, register it all up, and then we'll have a go at connecting it up and see how it goes.
QR code scan finished. Waiting for Wi-Fi connection. The device is connecting to your Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected. Waiting for device registration. Device registration successful.
And I think that's it. I think that's paired. Now, it'll just be a case of putting it on the door now. Here we've got a picture coming through on it. Putting it on the door and testing it out.
What do you want? What do you want?
To go inside.
You want to come in?
Yes.
Go away.